Good day everyone. Today we will answer this math challenge question. And the challenge is we don't have to use calculator. So here's the question. If x equals square root of 1 plus square root of 5 all over square root of 5 minus 1, wherein x is a real number, then what is the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1? You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, here's my attempt in this question. So, our goal is to find the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1, given that x equals square root of 1 plus square root of 5 over square root of 5 minus 1. And take note, we don't need to use calculator in this question. So, how are we going to answer this question? Take note that 1 plus square root of 5 can be written as square root of 5 plus 1. Alright. And then what we're going to do here is to rationalize the denominator. To do that, let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate, which is square root of 5 plus 1, all over square root of 5 plus 1, of course. This is just 1. Now, if you multiply the numerator and the denominator, this looks something like this. Square root of 5 plus 1 quantity squared all over square root of 5 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 5 plus 1. Now, on the denominator, we will use some special products. If we have a minus b times a plus b, this is just equivalent to a squared minus b squared. So, the denominator is equivalent to just square root of 5 quantity squared minus 1 squared, or just 1. Now, square root of 5 quantity squared is just 5. Now, 5 minus 1 is just 4. And now, take note that 4 is just 2 squared. Now, square root of 5 plus 1 quantity squared, and the denominator is 2 squared, so we can combine them. This can be written as square root of 5 plus 1 all over 2 quantity squared. And now, square root of this number that is squared is the number itself. So, this is just equivalent to square root of 5 plus 1 all over 2. And this number is very familiar because this is called the golden ratio. And this golden ratio comes from this equation, this quadratic equation, x squared minus x minus 1. So this golden ratio, the value of x, comes from this equation, x squared minus x minus 1. So we will use this information to answer this question. Our goal here is to solve for the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1. So what we're going to do here is to multiply both sides by 5. Like this. Now, 5 times 0 on the right side is just 0. 5 multiplied by x squared minus x minus 1 is just 5x squared minus 5x minus 5. Since we want to find the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1, take note that this negative 5 can be written as negative 1 minus 4. Now, if we add 4 on both sides, this will give us the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1 as 4. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the value of 5x squared minus 5x minus 1, given that x equals square root of 1 plus square root of 5 over square root of 5 minus 1? And our answer is 4. And as always, we are done.